by Pacific divers to do some coral reef transects out in La'alaia Bay and North Kihei. We'll also be assessing some of our coral restoration sites and getting some photo mosaics of them.
We're looking for coral to be able to transect survey, so we need to be able to see the coral and see the fish to count and take photos of it. Looking for a spot that could be a community-based coral restoration area, and so we're looking for good visibility for us to see right now, see what we're looking at, hard substrate, and the depth is important. It needs to be around 30 feet deep, so kind of looking for that perfect spot. Just finished a great dive. We did 4 little transect surveys, but this is such a nice little spot. Super clear, real variety of corals down there, and a bunch of fish. Saw this awesome starfish, a cowrie. No turtles came to supervise us today, but maybe another day.